We were talking about Federal Bank's numbers. Some of them are flashing for you at the bottom of the screen. Ekta alluded to a few of them as well. Abhishek has had a look at the numbers in detail now and is joining us with what he makes of them. Abhishek.
Operationally, a weak quarter for Federal Bank, especially on account of two key factors. One, the other income dipped sharply and the OPEX has risen sharply, both YOY and quarter-on-quarter. Take a look at the NII is coming at 2,195 crore. We were working with a number of 2,190 crore. So it's a beat of about 0.25%. Other income is at 754 crore, which is down about 12.6% quarter-on-quarter. The OPEX or operating expenses, that's at 1,389 crores, which is up 40.5% YOY and about 18.7% sequentially. In this, the employee expenses have increased by 48.5% YOY and about 28% sequentially. So you are seeing one of the worst cost-to-income ratio in Federal Bank over the last 9 or 10 years. So cost-to-income ratio is the highest in last 9 to 10 years, coming in at 62.35% when compared to 49.5% in the previous year and about 51.9% in the previous quarter. So sharp deterioration over there has meant that operating profits have declined 16.8% YOY and 22.75% sequentially. So first time in last 8 quarters you are seeing operating profit decline both YOY and quarter-on-quarter. So operating profit decline is massive in terms of sequential performance at 22.75% decline. There is a provision write back of about 94.6 crore and that's aided the bottom line this time around. So the PAT has come in at 906 crore, while analysts estimate with respect to our poll was about 932 crores. No taking away from the fact that their asset quality improvement continues. Asset quality, gross NPA ratio and net NPA ratio are one of the best in last 9 to 10 years. So 2.13 gross NPA ratio versus 2.3% in the previous quarter. However, operationally or PNL is very weak. Back to you.
Okay, all right, Abhishek, thanks very much for that. In fact, we've got the slippages figure as well, and maybe we'll tell Abhishek about it. 371 crores versus 400 plus crores on a Q-on-Q basis. So there's a reduction which has taken place in the slippages, and I think that should bode well for the stock as well, negating that higher OPEX which has come through for Federal Bank. As you can see, the stock at the high point of the day up around 1.4% or at the high point in the past couple of minutes. That stock doing well post all of the details trickling in. We'll take a short break on the